A very good morning, dear students. Hello and welcome back for your science class.
In today's video, we will learn how to write a chemical formula of a compound. You know this compound? Yes, common salt used in our houses, also known as sodium chloride. Chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Can't I write it like Na2Cl or Na3Cl2? So how to write a chemical formula? This thing we will learn today. So let's begin and try to understand. Well, for writing chemical formula of any compound, you need to follow 4 to 5 steps. And the steps are: first, write the symbol of the elements that form the compound. Then write the valencies of each element just below its symbol. After this, interchange the numbers below the symbol and write them as subscripts. Here, you should remember this thing while writing a chemical formula. If any of the number is 1, it's not included in writing the chemical formula. And if there is a common factor between the valencies, divide them by a quotient. Let's try to understand it with the help of examples.
Let's start with example of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, it consists of two elements, sodium and chlorine. So now let's know how to write its chemical formula. First step, write the symbols of elements. Symbol of sodium is Na and the symbol of chlorine is Cl. Second, write the valencies below the symbol. As you are already aware, valency of sodium is 1 and that of chlorine is also 1. Valencies of both sodium and chlorine are 1. Now, interchange the numbers and write them as subscript. By this, I mean that this number will be written as subscript of sodium and this number will be written as subscript of chlorine. So here we have to interchange the numbers. Now it will be written something like this: Na and this number, then Cl, then this number. Since both numbers are 1, now exclude 1 from the formula. Hence the formula of sodium chloride becomes NaCl. Next, let's take example of water. As you know, water is a compound made up of hydrogen and oxygen. How to write its chemical formula? Let's know. First thing, you have to write symbol of the elements that make up a compound. Symbol of hydrogen is H and symbol of oxygen is O. Second step, write down the valencies just below the symbols. Valency of hydrogen is 1, as you know, and valency of oxygen is 2. This we have already done. Third, you have to interchange the valencies. That is, the valency of valency of oxygen will be used as subscript of hydrogen and the valency of hydrogen will be used as subscript of oxygen. So it will be written like this: H2 and then this, then O and subscript is 1. As you know, in chemical formula 1 is not included. So the chemical formula of water becomes H2O. Now let's take another example. Example of aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride, it consists of two elements, aluminium and chlorine. So for writing its chemical formula, first you need to write symbols of the elements. Symbol of aluminium is Al and that of chlorine is Cl. Then just below these symbols you have to write their valencies. Valency of aluminium is 3 and the valency of chlorine is 1. Third, you have to interchange these valencies. Means this 1 will be used as subscript of aluminium and this 3 will be used as subscript of chlorine. So how we will write? Aluminium and then this subscript, then chlorine and then this subscript. As you know, in writing chemical formula, 1 is not included. So the formula of aluminium chloride becomes AlCl3. Now let's take one last example. Example of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide, it consists of two elements, calcium and oxygen. Symbol of calcium is Ca and that of oxygen is O. Valency of calcium is 2 and that of oxygen is also 2. After writing these valencies, third thing we do is interchange the valencies. Like this valency of calcium will be used as subscript of oxygen and this valency too will be used as subscript of calcium. So it becomes like Ca2O2. But there is one more rule when we are writing chemical formulas, that if the numbers in subscript are divisible by a common number, we have to divide them and use the quotient alone. Here, this 2 is divisible by this 2, 2 divides by 2, and we get the formula CaO. So the formula of calcium oxide is CaO.